What's up, guys? More Medic One, and hey, today we are going to be looking at a Tera pump, and several of the YouTubers out there use this fuel transfer pump, and I think TARYL Fixes All's got one. I know for a fact that WRANGLERSTAR has one, and I'll link all their channels in the description below, and you can go check them out. Highly recommend checking those guys out. Hey, this is a Tera pump, and I've got the model that uses the racing jugs or the utility jugs, but however, it does come with other adapters for different kinds of fuel cans, but the main adapter that I'm going to be using is for the racing jugs, and it comes with this, and it comes with the other gas can adapters as well. So what does this thing come with? It comes with the power head, and it does not come with batteries. However, it's just 4 AA batteries. You can actually run it off of just 2. It's only 3 volts. So you can run 2 batteries, or you can run all 4. They recommend running all 4 because you can get a lot more runtime out of it. However, super simple, just on and off. You have a 51-inch transfer hose, and it has a little doodad in there that senses fuel. When it's full, it'll shut off automatically, and we're going to test that. Anyway, so what you're going to do, you take your adapter, your fuel can adapter, and here is the actual fuel pump portion itself. It goes down into the tank. As you can tell, there is the little fuel pump, and let me turn it on so you can see it do its thing. All right, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna install the adapter for the racing jug, and we're gonna go ahead and get it screwed on to the pump here. Alrighty, so here is my VP racing jug. I've only got about 1 gallon of gas left in this one, and this lid has always been a little bit hard to take off. They say that these jugs that were bought at the home store aren't designed for gasoline, but I don't see why not. It's been working fine for the last, I don't know, I've had that can for several years. So let's go ahead and feed our Tera pump down in. And we're going to, well, what I should have done is just screwed this portion on first. And then we're gonna get this clocked to where you're able to use it without it getting bumped or whatever. It's got a good rubber gasket under there. So that's what it's gonna look like when it's sitting in your shop. Have the little pump head, and like I said, it's got the fuel hose that's 51 inches long. So now let's just try it out. We're gonna fill up the gas tank on the old test mule here. And it's not going to take much to fill her up. I only got about maybe 1/4 of a tank gone out of here. So we take our pump hose and we're going to clip it onto the gas tank here, and basically we're just going to turn it on. And that's supposed to be pumping about 2.3 gallons per minute. So far it's doing great. Yep, it shut off when it got full. Now I'm gonna hold it about 1 inch from the top of the neck there, Yep, now I'm out of gas in my gas can. Yep, shut off. That is slicker than a button, buddy. So when you get done with it, just hold your hose up and let it drain back down in your tank. It's got a little holder right here that you can clip it in. I can see many pros and maybe a couple of cons with this. One con that I can see right off the bat is you're going to have to deal with, you know, taking the unit out to fill it up with gas, of course, and that, to me, that would be the only drawback, is having to fiddle around with that at the gas station. But other than that, no more lifting a 5-gallon, this is actually a 6-gallon gas can up to try to fill up your machines, especially a push mower. This would be perfect for a push mower, and it's perfect for my wife because she hates to try to lift this thing up, and inevitably she's gonna, you know, or my daughter too, is gonna spill gas. This is gonna be the answer to that, I hope. Now here's another pro. You can also use it to suck out the fuel out of a machine. Now they make several different versions of this. They make it with a rigid line made for fuel transfers in this manner, but there's no reason that you can't use it for this. Let's see how well it works on a push mower. The only drawback I see about using it on a push mower is that you're gonna have to, whoops, I didn't let it click on there very good. It's not gonna fill it up very far. You'll have to hold it. It already shut off. Let's watch it work again on the riding mower. Like a champ. What's up, guys? Hey, if you want some more information, I'm gonna link some links in the description, and I'm gonna pin a comment. The first comment is gonna be pinned, so you can click on that, and I'm gonna have a couple of my associate links from Amazon. You can click on that and you'll be able to pick which one of these models of transfer pumps suits your needs. But like I said, I bought the one for the racing jugs. They make them for all different kinds of jugs. 55-gallon drums, the plastic drums. This has the little old plastic caps in there. Just anything. Like I said, they make one that's solid, so you can use it to just pull fuel out of anything. So anyway, hey, if this helped you out, give me a thumbs up and smash that like button. And while you're there subscribing, go ahead and click that bell and click that little old heart. And it'll help me out quite a bit. Y'all have a good rest of your day. More Medic One.